Hey everyone, I want to do a quick video, mostly so I can remind myself if I ever need to in the future of how to clear an error button on the Kubota L-3901. Okay, I'm sure the same thing's going to apply if you got like like an L-3301. So what happened is like the temperature had gotten down to -2 and -5 degrees. So I do put anti-gel in the fuel, but apparently it did at least gel up a little bit. I did manage to get the tractor started, but at some point it sort of stalled out, but then it started up. So it was enough to generate an error, and the error message was P 0093. Okay, so the tractor ran fine, so whatever it was just temporary. So I basically just needed to clear the error message, because by clearing the error message, basically what that's going to tell me is if there's like a continuing problem, then the error message will come back, right? Because now it's warmed up to something like 32 degrees. So that's one of the things I needed to know. So the way to clear the error message, if you got these two stupid regen buttons here that the Democrats forced us to put here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold down both of these together. Okay. So while holding both of these buttons down together, what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn the key to the start position. I'm not gonna do it now because I'm holding the camera in the other hand. Okay. So you're gonna turn. So while holding down these two buttons together, you're gonna turn the key to the start position. And it's going to give you an A, right? You're going to see an A come up over here in the digital display. So when the A comes up, what you're going to do is then you're going to just hold down the right button, this one here, right? You're going to hold it down for a few seconds until it goes to a B, okay? So it's going to go to a B. You take your finger off, and then it's going to say push, okay? So when it says push, you hold down this button again here, the right one, again for a few seconds until it says off. Right? And when it says off, you got to get to that point, right? You have to say off. Then you take your finger off, okay? And then you should be good. What you're going to do then, when you go back to basically turn the key back, turn it back to the start position, and the error message should be gone. And then you can start up the machine again, and you'll see that the error message is gone. At least that way you've kind of cleared the memory out. So if the error message does come back, you know that you got a problem. You know it's a recurring problem. It's not like some temporary thing that happened. Okay, so that's how you clear the error message on your Kubota L-3901 or any of the tractors that are similar. I don't know what the L-3902s are doing. Because they do have an updated version, the 02 series. So I don't know if it's the same. I mean, you can always call up Kubota and ask them. I mean, that's how I got the information. I just called them up, and they gave me this information over the phone. The guy went through it with me. But if you're in a situation where like you can't call them, whatever, well, you got this video now as a reference. Okay. So I'll talk to you all soon. Drop a comment below.